Another day, another English lesson. Phrasal verbs with come. Today, we're looking at phrasal verbs formed with the verb come. A phrasal verb combines come with a preposition or particle to create a brand new meaning, often very different from come on its own. Let's look at some of the most useful ones. Come across means to find something by chance, or to give a certain impression. Example: I came across an old photo while cleaning my closet. Come up with means to think of or produce an idea, plan, or solution. Example: she came up with a brilliant solution to the problem. Come down with means to become sick with an illness. Example: he came down with a cold last week. Come along means to make progress or to accompany someone. Example: the house is coming along nicely. Come up means for something to happen or be mentioned unexpectedly. Example: something urgent came up at work, so I had to leave early. Come back means to return to a place. Example: he came back from his trip yesterday. Come over means to visit someone's home. Example: why don't you come over for dinner tonight? Come out means to be published or released, or to become known. Example: the truth finally came out after the investigation. Come through means to succeed at something difficult, or to survive a hard situation. Example: despite the pressure, she came through with an excellent presentation. Come round, or come around, means to regain consciousness, or to change one's opinion after disagreeing at first. Example: after the accident, she slowly came round in the hospital. As you can see, adding a different particle to come completely changes its meaning. Learning these phrasal verbs will help you sound much more natural in everyday English. Now, you try. Complete the sentences with the correct form of the phrasal verb in parentheses. One, I came across some old photographs while organizing the garage. 2, the scientists came up with a new theory to explain the results. 3, half the class came down with a stomach bug after the school trip. 4, his English is coming along really well since he moved abroad. 5, a great opportunity came up last week, so I took it. 6, they came back from their honeymoon full of stories. 7. Feel free to come over whenever you're in town. Chapter 8. The full details of the scandal finally came out this morning. Chapter 9. Despite the setbacks, the team came through in the end and won the game. Then, after fainting, she slowly came round and opened her eyes. Thank you for watching this Worldwide ELT English language teaching video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.